Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tool bag for HVAC that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Carhart Legacy 14 inches tool bag. A good HVAC technician tool bag needs defense against constant scraping, dropping, and moisture. This Carhart bag is a great solution against all of that. While it looks like canvas, this high-quality tool bag is made of a more durable polyester material that's then covered with Carhartt's trademark water-resistant coating. The carrier also has an abrasion-resistant base, constructed of another Carhartt trademark, a fabric called Duravax. If 14 inches isn't large enough for all your tools, there's a 16-inch version, $86 United States dollars and 94 cents, Amazon, and even a duffel, $89 United States dollars and 99 cents, Amazon, that can fit small and large tools alike as it provides a bit more room. I do HVAC and I made this into my water heater tool bag, explained one person. My tools are much more organized and easier to find now. Beats my fumbling around my old Milwaukee M12 bag for tools. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hillmore HVAC Arot. This best HVAC tool bag has 14 pockets lining the outside and 13 inside, which provides ample space to keep tools organized. While other tools bags may be bigger, it's only 7.5 by 13 inches. This one can still handle up to 50 pounds of weight, meaning the odd bigger tool or bulky tools can be included in your kit. The fairly large central compartment is open, offering easy access to what workers need. There is also a special pocket that seals shut for pricier gadgets, like a meter or more fragile items like safety glasses. I'm in the HVAC trade and do around 4 to 6 calls a day. This bag has surpassed my expectations, wrote one HVAC technician. Perfect size to hold all the tools I need for most jobs, including my 12-volt drill and multimeter. It's very durable and shows no signs of wear or tear. At number 3, we have the DeWalt DGCL3333 pocket-lighted USB charging tool backpack. An HVAC backpack is the perfect happy medium between a standard tool bag and bucket with the reliance and comfort of a backpack. This tool backpack from DeWalt is built for helping HVAC technicians tote a decent load of tools courtesy of its multiple sections and 33 pockets. Not only that, but it comes with a flashlight and charging port to power through dim environments away from electrical outlets. Both the handles and shoulder straps on these HVAC tool bags are padded for a comfortable wearing experience, and there are small feet on the bottom to deflect the abrasion from drops or being dragged. This bag is the best tool bag I have used so far, explained one customer. I carry a lot of tools for HVAC and the combined weight is crazy heavy, but this bag is so well constructed, I haven't yet seen any tears or weaknesses developing after months of usage. But I do use the top carry handles more than the shoulder straps because this is what has damaged my previous bags. At number 2, we have the Pnochoo waterproof tool bags. Preventing rain and other forms of moisture from ruining a good tool bag, buyers should keep an eye out for HVAC tool bags that sport waterproof and water-resistant fabrics. Like some other tool bags, this option from Pnochoo has protective zippered pockets, but it's constructed of a 600D polyester to keep tools safe from wet conditions. Though the brand notes it's waterproof, 600D polyester isn't technically so, thus earning a water-resistant title from us. The interior has a metal frame leading to a wide open mouth when the bag is propped open, making items easily accessible. It's great for downsizing larger toolkits, when just a curated selection of items are needed for a certain call or job. I wasn't sure if I would like it since it was a non-brand name bag, but I'm thoroughly surprised it's still going, wrote one HVAC technician. I've had it packed full with my drill, box wrenches, drill bits, pliers, rags and anything I can think of for months and haven't had any issues with the zippers or shoulder sling breaking, which happens to me far too often with other bags. And finally at number 1, we have the Veolia Pro Pack TP3 Pouch. This best HVAC tool bag is ideal for anyone looking to carry a lighter load, but still get the same storage and durability. The Veolia Pro Pack Tech HVAC bag has a large center compartment that provides easy access and has plenty of space for carrying a meter and a bunch of other tools including multi-tools, measuring tape, and other necessities you'll need on a job site such as safety glasses in its 15 tool pockets. There's a strap for electrical tape if needed, too. It's made of leather, nylon, and rubber, a great mix of materials in terms of durability and longevity. The small frame and straps make it comfortable to wear, so comfortable that one reviewer noted that they keep it on all day, even during their lunch and breaks. "I put tool bags to the test and wear them out quickly," wrote another customer of this Veolia Pro Pack tool bag. "Most immediate issues result from sharp items poking through cheaply made pockets and thin materials." You will know yourself that this doesn't happen on this or other Veolia pouches and tool carriers as soon as you see the difference in quality. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.